Looking for the ultimate tech gifts that blend innovation, practicality, and style? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we've rounded up the coolest gadgets that are guaranteed to make life easier, more fun, and absolutely unforgettable. Whether you're treating yourself or hunting for the perfect gift, these must-have tech items will definitely steal the spotlight. Let's dive in. Number 10, ZHU Charging Station. Looking for the perfect tech gift that blends innovation, style, and practicality? Stay tuned because we found a gadget that Apple users are absolutely raving about. Imagine fast wireless charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at the same time, but here's what makes it truly stand out. An auto-rotating phone charger and pop-up charging docks that take efficiency and style to the next level. Its modern rectangular design not only looks great, but also saves valuable desk space. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, it's incredibly portable. The included 30-watt fast charger adapter and durable 1.5-meter USB-C to USB-C cable ensure you're ready to go right out of the box. Certified to QE2 standards, this device guarantees fast and reliable charging while being compatible with all Qi-enabled gadgets. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty and responsive customer support for added peace of mind. Number 9, Oura Ring 4. Want to take control of your health while staying effortlessly stylish? Meet the game changer in wearable tech that's setting a new standard in fitness and wellness. Redefining health tech, this sleek titanium smart ring packs powerful sensors into a minimalist design. It tracks over 30 biometrics, including sleep quality, activity levels, heart health, and stress, delivering precise, real-time insights tailored to your lifestyle. Its comfort-first, water-resistant design means you can wear it 24/7, whether you're hitting the gym, attending a formal event, or simply relaxing. And here's the best part. An impressive 8-day battery life means fewer interruptions and more focus on what matters. The Oura Ring 4 syncs seamlessly with over 40 apps, including Apple Health and Strava, integrating effortlessly into your daily routine. While the membership costs just $5.99 per month after a free first month, the wealth of health data and personalized feedback make it a worthwhile invest. Plus, it's HSA FSA eligible, making it accessible for health-conscious buyers. Number 8, Novium Hover Pen 2.0. This is not just a pen, it's a desk centerpiece and conversation starter. Crafted with precision from aircraft-grade aluminum and zinc alloy, the Hover Pen features a futuristic unibody design that floats at an eye-catching 23.5-degree angle, instantly upgrading the aesthetic of any workspace. But it's more than just a showpiece. The smooth ballpoint cartridges deliver precise, effortless writing, making it a perfect companion for professionals who appreciate quality and creativity. Its magnetic base doubles as a fidget tool, offering a fun, interactive way to boost focus during brainstorming or work sessions. Whether as a thoughtful gift or a personal indulgence, the Hover Pen 2.0 is a statement piece that's built to last. Add it to your desk and let innovation meet elegance every time you reach for a pen. Number 7, NextMug self-heating coffee mug. Tired of sipping lukewarm coffee or tea? Imagine a mug that keeps every sip perfectly hot. This game-changing gadget is about to transform your beverage experience. With a long-lasting battery and an elegant ceramic matte finish, the NextMug is as stylish as it is functional, ideal for home, office, or on-the-go use. Its intuitive onboard button lets you control the temperature without fumbling with apps or complicated setups. Practicality meets sophistication with its spill-resistant lid and charging coaster, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Designed in Boulder, Colorado, the NextMug reflects thoughtful innovation and top-notch craftsmanship. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a coffee or tea lover, this 14-ounce premium smart mug combines style and functionality to perfection. If you're serious about enjoying your drinks at their ideal temperature, the NextMug is a must-have essential. Number 6, Power Beats Pro. Get ready to experience the perfect mix of power, comfort, and durability with these fitness-focused earbuds. Designed for active lifestyles, these earbuds combine exceptional audio performance with unmatched stability. The adjustable, secure-fit ear hooks ensure they stay comfortable and snug no matter how tough your workout gets. With a sweat and water-resistant design, they're built to withstand your most intense training sessions. Enjoy powerful, balanced sound with dynamic range that keeps you motivated, plus easy on-ear volume and track controls, and autoplay pause for added convenience. Class 1 Bluetooth technology ensures an extended range and fewer dropouts for seamless connectivity. Running low on battery, the fast fuel feature gives you 1.5 hours of playback from just a 5-minute charge, making them perfect for last-minute dashes. The package includes multiple ear tip sizes, a charging case, and a Lightning to USB-A cable for a complete listening experience, and charging adapters sold separately. Number 5, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This isn't just a smartwatch. It's your ultimate adventure companion. With its rugged titanium build, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is built to thrive in the most challenging environments, whether you're scaling mountains or diving into the ocean. I tested it during a trail run, and its precision GPS and heart rate tracking blew me away. Powered by Galaxy AI technology, it delivers real-time performance insights, pushing you to crush your personal best. One standout feature is the energy score, calculated from your activity and sleep, like having a personal trainer right on your wrist. Rain or shine, this watch doesn't quit. I took it biking in a sudden downpour, and its durability didn't miss a beat. While a slightly longer battery life would make it ideal for multi-day adventures, it's still a powerhouse for those who push limits. If you're serious about fitness, adventure, and personalized tracking, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is worth every penny. This isn't just a watch, it's a lifestyle enhancer for those who dare to go further. Number 4, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This isn't just a phone, it's a game-changing device that revolutionizes productivity and entertainment. The expansive foldable screen left me amazed as I effortlessly juggled YouTube, a shopping app, and a chat all at once. One feature I loved was Circle to Search. I snapped a picture of stylish sneakers, circled them, and instantly found where to buy them. It's both fun and incredibly practical. And for travelers, the interpreter feature in Flex Mode is a lifesaver, breaking language barriers on the go. The AI photo editing tools make creating stunning Instagram-worthy images as easy as a tap. Plus, gaming on the Z Fold 6 is pure bliss, thanks to smooth graphics and immersive visuals that make every session unforgettable. The only drawback? It's a bit bulky when folded, but that's a small price to pay for the versatility it offers. Whether you're a multitasker, gamer, or tech enthusiast, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a brilliant investment that transforms your digital life into something extraordinary. Number 3, MetaQuest 3S. Ever wondered what it feels like to step into Gotham or bring the digital world into your living room? Playing Batman Arkham Shadow on the MetaQuest 3S was jaw-dropping. It felt like I was right inside Gotham, battling villains alongside the Dark Knight. The mixed reality feature is a true standout. I placed a virtual coffee table in my living room, blending the digital and real world seamlessly. And it's not just about gaming. The social experiences are next level. Streaming gameplay to my TV turned game night into a major hit with friends. Multitasking? No problem. With multiple screens, I browsed the web, chatted with friends, and watched tutorials simultaneously, staying productive without losing focus. For movie buffs, the personal theater mode is a dream come true. Dim the surroundings, plug in your headphones, and escape into cinematic bliss. Whether you're into gaming, streaming, or exploring new virtual realms, the MetaQuest 3S is more than a gadget. It's a transformative experience that expands what's possible in entertainment and productivity. Number 2, DJI Air3. Meet the drone that's changing the game for aerial enthusiasts and storytellers alike. During a weekend trip, I captured stunning 4K HDR videos of a mountain range, and the results were absolutely jaw-dropping. Thanks to its dual cameras, storytelling through visuals became effortless, with versatile focal lengths that brought every scene to life. Flying through dense forests? No problem. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing saved me multiple times, letting me focus on creativity with total peace of mind. Its 48-megapixel photos are razor sharp, allowing detailed cropping without losing quality, a feature I didn't realize I needed until I used it. The stable 04 HD transmission ensured seamless connectivity even on distant flights, making uninterrupted creativity a reality. While downloading the DJI Fly app from their website instead of Google Play was a minor inconvenience, it didn't take away from the overall experience. Number 1, Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock. Struggling with restless nights or harsh wake-ups? The gradual sunrise alarm is a total game changer, helping me wake up refreshed instead of jolted by a blaring buzzer. At night, the customizable sleep sounds, from soothing white noise to calming nature tracks, make drifting off effortless. One night, I tried the pink noise setting, and it perfectly drowned out my noisy neighbors. The dimmable clock is ideal for light-sensitive sleepers like me, creating total darkness when needed. The companion app is super intuitive, allowing you to customize your bedtime and wake-up routines. My favorite part? The phone-free control. A simple tap starts my preset relaxation sequence for the perfect wind-down experience. The only catch? It requires Wi-Fi, so setup might take a bit longer if your connection is spotty. But once it's ready, the Hatch Restore 2 feels like having a personal sleep coach on your bedside table. That wraps up our top picks of the coolest gadgets that are changing the game. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.